And well, viewers, amid the Deepam Row in Tamil Nadu, the Madras High Court Judge G.R. Swaminathan has lit a lamp resembling the Deepathoon at an event in Chennai. Justice Swaminathan, the judge who had delivered the order on the Deepam Row upholding the right to light the lamp on the ancient stone pillar, has said that he wants to carry Sanatan in his heart.
ரொம்ப மனசுலேன்னு சொல்றேன். எனக்கு இன்னும் ஒரு 4.5 வருஷம் சர்வீஸ் இருக்கு நான் நம்புறேன். அதுக்கு பண்ணா பதவிக்கெல்லாம் விட மாட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஆனா இந்த இருக்க போற இந்த 4.5 வருஷம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுல நான் ஒரு எக்ஸலன்ஸ் காட்டணும், சனாதன தர்மத்தை மனசுல வச்சுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிற அந்த ஒரு எண்ணத்தை, அந்த உத்வேகத்தை இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி எனக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கு. அதற்கு அழைத்தமைக்காக நான்
My colleague Dharini is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Dharini, there has been a lot of controversy over Deepam. In fact, the DMK also wanted to bring in an impeachment motion against the justice for his verdict in the matter. But clearly, undeterred, the justice is seen here. Take us through the details of this event and the fact that he lit Deepam at this event. Any reactions coming in from the DMK on this?
Well, the DMK says that people who are part of judiciary, they should have some sort of aloofness. They should be unbiased and they should be refraining from expressing their personal opinions on public forums. But as far as Justice G.R. Swaminathan is concerned, he is violating all these norms is what the DMK feels at this point. And as you rightly said, the India Bloc MPs, around 120 of them, they submitted an impeachment motion against Justice G.R. Swaminathan to Speaker Om Birla. It remains to be seen whether Mr. Om Birla will be forming a committee to inquire into this impeachment motion. But for the time being, what we can understand is that the DMK definitely is very uncomfortable with Justice G.R. Swaminathan and the kind of statements that he has been making in public forums. Okay. As far as this event is concerned, Mr. Swaminathan told that he has around 4.5 years of service left in his tenure, and until the end of his tenure, he will continue to carry Sanatana Dharma close to his heart.
Sanatan Dharma in his heart, that's what he goes on to say. Justice Swaminathan also seen lighting a lamp that resembles a Deepathoon. Stay with us. We have Mr. Saravanan of the DMK on the broadcast with us. Mr. Saravanan, what do you make of the justice lighting a lamp? He says that he will continue to carry Sanatan in his heart.
See, that's his personal choice. Whatever he wishes to do. Religion is his personal belief. It's his personal choice. So we don't have got anything to say about that. So that is where it is. But we also would like to remind that the 1997 restatement of judicial values adopted by the Supreme Court says the judges should maintain aloofness. They should also not publicly speak about issues which may arise for future determination or which is under judicial determination. This is an ethical practice which is expected of all the High Court judges and the Supreme Court judges. This has been adopted by the Supreme Court. So this is what we have got to say now.
Okay, all right. Mr. Saravanan, thank you for joining us. Some criticism coming in the Justice's way. He was seen at this event and Justice Swaminathan had delivered the order on the Deepam Row, you'd remember, after which the DMK had also brought in an impeachment motion against him. Now, he had upheld the right to light the lamp on the ancient stone pillar, and now in this event he also addressed the event, going on to say that he carries Sanatan in his heart. So, Dharini, controversy breaking out over the same. And, you also mentioned how the justice has also previously spoken about his faith in public.
Well, Justice G.R. Swaminathan is somebody who is very open about his faith. On multiple public forums, he has told that he is a stern believer of Sanatan Dharma. He is a follower of Hindu religion, and this is something that he's always been proud of. He is somebody who has been vocal about his faith and his identity. And as far as his controversial judgment in connection with Dirparangundram Hills is concerned, the judge in 3 times ordered the Tamil Nadu government to light the holy lamp on the Deepathoon in Tirupparangunram Hills, but all the 3 times the state government refused to implement this order. And right now, in fact, in the latest legal development, a division bench of the Madras High Court has in fact held the order of Justice G.R. Swaminathan that allowed the holy lamp to be lit on the Deepathoon. In fact, this division bench has told that every year during Kartikeya Deepam, the temple administration of the Subramania Swami temple, they should be lighting the Deepam on the Deepathoon is what they have told. So, but meanwhile, the DMK seems pretty uncomfortable with this judgment also. They call this judgment erroneous, and they say that just 15 meters from this Deepathoon there is this dargah called the Sikandar Dargah, and lighting a holy lamp there might lead to communal tensions is what they've been telling right from the beginning. So the war of words continue, but meanwhile the DMK has always held its opinion strong that G.R. Swaminathan is somebody who is biased in his judgments, that he is in fact giving priority to cases only that are being brought by advocates from a particular community.
The last word on this not done yet. Dharani, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.